Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to set up webhook inside DoneDone. So DoneDone is a project management and issue tracking tool designed to make teamwork simpler and more efficient. It helps team keeps track of tasks, bugs and customer support requests in one place. With features like easy-to-use boards, task assignments, due dates, and progress tracking, it ensures everyone knows what needs to be done and by when. So one of the standout features of DoneDone is its ability to integrate with popular tools like email and chat platforms, making it easy to keep all your communications and updates in one place. This reduces the need of constant back and forth emails and keeps everyone on the same page. People use DoneDone because it brings simplicity to project management and issue tracking. It's particularly favored by small to medium-sized teams that need an effective way to manage their workload without the complexity of more extensive project management tools. By centralizing tasks, communication, and support in one place, DoneDone helps teams to stay focused, meet deadlines, and deliver high-quality work consistently. So now here I'm going to show you that how you can set up a connection between DoneDone and Pabbly Connect in order to send the information from DoneDone to any other application on a specific event. And here to set up this connection, we are going to use Webhook. So here Webhook is going to act as a bridge to connect our DoneDone account with Pabbly Connect, or you can use Webhook to connect one application to any other application easily, through which you can send the information from one application to another application easily on any specific event. Now here, before moving forward with this connection, here on my screen you can see two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now here, let's suppose that I am working as a task manager, and as a task manager I need to create and assign various tasks to my entire team. So here in this case, I want whenever I create a new task in my DoneDone account, automatically that task detail should be shared with my team on Google Chat or any other communication platform. So for that, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select my trigger application as DoneDone and my action application as Google Chat. So here, to learn how to set up a webhook inside DoneDone, we are going to select our trigger application as DoneDone here. And here I'm going to select my trigger event as new task, because here I want to trigger this step whenever a new task is created in my DoneDone account. But you can select a trigger event for new conversation, conversation updated, new member, member removed, or any task updated. And here you can see, after selecting the trigger event, here I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my DoneDone account with Pabbly Connect. So here, following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my DoneDone account. And from here I'm going to click on my profile icon given over here. And from here I'm going to select Developer Center. And here under Developer Center, you can see I have received two options, that are API and Webhooks. So here I'm going to click on this Configure Webhooks. And here under Webhooks, you can see my already existing webhooks here. So here, to set up a new webhook, I'm going to click on this Add Point button given over here. And now here you can see it is asking for endpoint URL. So here, for this URL, let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here I'm going to copy this webhook URL. Moving back to my DoneDone account, and here I'm going to enter this webhook URL. Now here, after entering this webhook URL, moving forward, and now here it is asking for a description. So here I'm going to enter a short description such as new task. Moving forward, and then here it is asking me for subscribe to events. So here I'm going to select my event as task created, so that whenever a new task is created in my DoneDone account, automatically the task information should be shared with my application using Webhook. So here I've selected this event. Moving forward, and now I'm going to click on this create button given over here. And here you can see we have successfully created a new webhook here. So let's go back. And here you can see we have successfully set up the webhook with the name new task. So now moving back to Pabbly window. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here, to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to create a new task in our DoneDone account. So here we are going to test this connection by creating a new task in our DoneDone account. So for that, let me take you back to my DoneDone account. And from here, I'm going to click on this task. And here I'm going to create a new task by clicking on this new task option. Here I'm going to select a project for my task. So this is my existing project. So here I'm going to select it. And here I'm going to give a title to my task. So here my title would be Generate New Leads. And here I'm going to write a description such as generate new leads using Facebook lead ads. So here I've entered a description. Moving forward, here for the priority, I'm going to select my task priority as high. And here for the assignee, I'm going to select myself. And here status is open. Here if you want to add the tag, then you can add the tag as per your need. And now here after entering all the required data, here I'm going to click on this create task. And here you can see it says the task has been created. That means here we have successfully created a new task in our DoneDone account. So now let's go and check our Pabbly window to check whether the webhook has sent the response or not. So here in our Pabbly window, you can see we have successfully received a response here where we have received the title as generate new leads. Moving forward, here we have received the project name, project ID, project priority as high, and here we have received the description for the task, that is generate new leads using Facebook lead ads. So with this, we have successfully set up this connection. So once we have created this connection, then whenever a new task is created in our DoneDone account, automatically that task details will be captured by Pabbly Connect over here. And after getting the response here, you can automatically send these details to any other application by simply building a connection between DoneDone and that application. And for that, you have to select another application in this action step given over here. So by doing this, it will automatically send that information to that action application in one go. Okay, so these were the steps to set up the webhook inside the DoneDone, and I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.